Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery and this is Avery's World. Today we'll be doing another jewelry unboxing. These are some items that I purchased from eBay and let's get right into it. How's everyone's day going? My day is pretty good so far. Okay, so up first we have a Pandora bracelet and it looks to be in very good condition. Very nice. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. I mainly do jewelry hauls, and I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. Okay, next up, we have another bracelet, and this is pretty. The condition is very good once again. And I think it has little stones. Let's see if we can zoom in here. Yeah, it's got some little stones there. Very nice. If you're interested in purchasing anything that you see in today's video, you can go over to my Poshmark page, or you can just send me an email. My email is in the description below. Okay, let's see how long this is. I think it's about 8.5 inches. Yep. Okay, let's go to the next item. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So if I can get it out the bag. Okay, so we've got a pair of earrings here. They look like flowers. Very nice. Good condition. Let's look at the back. Yep, they're marked 925. I think these are great for everyday wear, probably. Very nice. Okay, so let's look at our next item. We have a pair of Bison earrings. I think that they're bison, I'm not really sure, but they're really cute. I guess great for anybody who loves animals. Great condition. They look brand new to me. Very nice. Pretty shiny. Okay, so let's look for our next item. We've got this beautiful ring here. And I think it has some marcasite on it. And it looks like rose quartz. Very pretty. Let's see what size it is. I think it looks like a 6.5. Very pretty. Like the way the light hits it. Okay, let's go on to our next item. We've got another ring here, and it looks like an onyx stone. By the way, everything in this haul today is sterling silver, just to let you know. And this looks like it's about an 8. I really like the way this one looks. It's very pretty. Let's try this one on just to see how it looks. Okay, let's see what our next item is. We've got a necklace here. And let's see. There we go. We've got some CZs in there. Nice circle pendant. Very nice. Great for everyday wear. Let's see how long this is. I think it's about 16 inches long. Yep. Okay. Let's see what we have next. We've got another necklace here. And it's a panda. It's got a little knot in it. I'll take care of that later probably. Yep. Very good condition. Very nice. It's a really cute panda. Yep. Let's see how long this one is. I think it's about 16 inches or so. I'll put that in the description when I put it on Poshmark. Definitely. And it's got a 2-inch extender, about 2 inches. Very nice. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. Set of earrings. We've got some cross earrings, and then we've got some beautiful hoop earrings here. Both sterling silver, very pretty. Okay, so which item was your favorite from today's haul? I think my favorite was the rose quartz ring. Definitely very pretty. Okay, you guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!